Hello everyone and welcome to Immigrate with French. I'm so glad you visited my channel. Since you're here, I want to help you to make the best of your visit. I have organized everything into playlists so that you find it organized and you can find exactly what you're looking for. So, if you have never learned French before and you're wondering where to start from, you're wondering what it is gonna be like, is it easy, difficult, how much you can achieve or how much you can study, then I would like to welcome you to start with my playlist, French mini course for the absolute beginners. If you have been studying French for some time and you have some confusions between maybe seemingly similar words, my playlist, French Word Confusions Explained, will be very helpful for you. There I explain the differences between some of the confusing words in French. If you are preparing for the TEF Canada exam, definitely find my playlist, TEF Canada exam structure and tips. And finally, if you'd like to know a bit more about immigration to Canada and how French can help you achieve that, then visit my playlist, French and Immigration to Canada. My channel is dedicated to learning French in general and immigrating to Canada in particular by passing the TEF Canada exam. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.